These are people who always have a large gathering of friends around them. There are people who are always out of the crowd and look at them with regret. If you are one of these lonely and alien, it's time to get rid of it and make new friends. In this video, I will tell you 10 things that help you make friends. Number 1. Be yourself. No one likes a trick. If you're not yourself, it's not you who's making friends with someone, but the person you are playing is making friends with others. When you become so close to the other person to show your true self, you may not be welcomed because you're a completely different kind of thing than you pretended to be. Let the person you want to be friends with know your true self. Number 2. Start with people you know. Even if you don't have many friends, there are probably many people you know. Connect with relatives and contact old friends you haven't seen a long time. Don't forget the importance of your friends. You must just get to know some very interesting people by connecting with your friends and friends. If you are invited to go out with friends, accept. If you stay at home, you lose the chance of meeting with new people. Number 3. Open your mind. If you look at people with a critical and judgmental perspective wherever you go, you probably won't find many friends. Be receptive to people, opinions, perspectives, situations, and new things all together. This way you can make lots of new friends. Number 4. Get help from technology. You can find any type of online group you want to participate in online. Many are local groups that also plan activities. For example, the Leaflet website is a great place to meet with new people. This website has a section on events that you can participate in. This way you can get to know people who have interests and mindsets similar to yours. Number 5. Be social. The only way to get to know new people is to be social and deal with them. If you don't know where to start, join a community. To volunteer work and take different courses, be sure to join forums. And if you are invited to parties, be sure to go. Number 6. Ask questions. When you meet new people, tell them about themselves. Not just for these, that they know better, but in addition with these, to them, you represent that your life they give you is interesting, and they are the more you trust. Number 7. Get in touch. A lot of people lose contact with those who are meeting with them. With the internet and social tools these days, there is no such concern. You can even find old friends and reconnect with them. Number 8. Be a support. If you want to have a friend, you have to be a friend. This means that when your friend needs you, you need to help him. If your friend called you in the middle of the night and told you that his engagement had broken up, don't hang up. You may be tired, but you're sure he's worse than you. That he called you to show that he considers you his friend. So, be the friend he expects. Number 9. Be a member of working groups. Maybe there are groups in your workplace that work in certain fields. For example, a group may walk or exercise during lunch hours. Participate in activities that are going on in your workplace to meet with lots of new friends. Number 10. Do not give information easily. You should be honest with your close friends, but don't let too much information about yourself sooner than appropriate. This is usually unpleasant for the other side. When he doesn't know you well yet, he probably doesn't want to know anything about you. Don't share this information with anyone until the right time comes. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share it with your friends so we can continue making these videos. To see more videos, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click on the notification bell.